We're here at the GEARWRENCH booth at the SEMA Show 2025. They've got a lot of exciting stuff. Let's get started. So GEARWRENCH is doing a major expansion in their diagnostic fleet of tools. First up, we have the GW05. We have a 5-inch tablet. This is all ready to go. Bi-directional, is going to work with 185 different manufacturers and models. And this is a full-blown diagnostic computer in your hand, 5-inch tablet. You don't need another phone. You don't need anything else. This is going to handle everything that your typical 7 or 10-inch tablets will do. And this is only $400 and lifetime updates on the software as well. So no additional fees for software. Lifetime, great for that beginner technician to, again, be able to do bi-directional work with that. Then, so that's the GW05. Then we have the GW Smart 10. This is a 10-inch tablet, obviously a lot more bells and whistles. You get a dock with it for easy charging, replace it back in the dock. Again, you're gonna get the even more manufacturers and models to work with here. Obviously bi-directional, you're gonna be able to talk to 51 different modules on the vehicle. You can get the 2534 with it as well. Comes with a complete unit for $2,200, and that's gonna be 3 years of updates on the software. Add to it the bore scope that is going to allow you to be able to look inside those engines, obviously scope out the areas of concern, and that's going to run $89, and it's going to interface with not just their tablets, but anything. USB Type-C, it does not require any type of app to work with it. Plug it in your phone, your tablet, Android, iPhone, it doesn't matter. Then we have the GW TPMS. So now we have a TPMS computer. We can reset those codes. They're also going to sell TPMS sensors in a 20-pack for $300. So $175 for the TPMS computer, and then $300 for a 20-pack of TPMS sensors. All of this is going to be hitting the market in January. So $400, $175, $2,200, and $89. Check it out from GEARWRENCH. And then we've got the Mega Station. Now this is 1,858 pieces. We even have the side cabinets over here. Just an awesome, awesome system. They're complete organization like their other Mega Mod packages. Even in the high-vis sockets as well. All included in this kit, 1,800 plus pieces. And the box as well. And it's all for less than $30,000. All the room you need to expand, as well as all the tools you need to do the job from GEARWRENCH. Again, lifetime warranty on the tools themselves, and a 5-year warranty on this box. But looking at their new high-vis sockets, if you see here, obviously not tough to read that. Looking at standard sockets, just like every other standard chrome socket, kind of hard to read, especially after you beat these things up for 5 years and they go in and out of drawers and vehicles and beat around exhaust manifolds, everything else. But these, now not only do you have the high vis, but obviously there's, it's kind of embossed there, so it's not going to go away, and you're going to see that high vis forever. So very easy to see the sizes on those. And we can take that same technology, move over into here, into our impact sockets as well. So we're going to have the same thing. Easy to read sizes right there on the socket. So whether your trays are labeled or not, highly recommend that as well, especially for removing and replacing. But these sockets, again, beat them up all you want. The paint in those additions are going to last for years and years to come. And it doesn't stop there. We even have it in the smaller sizes as well, in both impact as well as your standard chrome sockets in shallow well as well as deep well. So all of these are available now, and look for more high-vis sockets and tools to come in the future as well. And just to give you an idea, there's a new one they're messing with that we might see sometime next year. And this is their Mega Mod 1,268 piece set. So starting from over here, even down here, we're talking about a workstation. We're talking about the shop stool, tractor seat on there, And then all of these tools, and then even down here into the work cart or the service cart, that's included as well. And then all of these tools in the wall, torque wrench, all of these socket sets, ratchet sets, wrenches, all labeled in their own foam trays. So you're never going to lose that tool again. You shouldn't anyway, but all the way over into pliers, into screwdrivers, 1/4-inch sockets, impact sockets, chrome sockets, you name it. And all of these that you're seeing here is right here in this box. You can see every tray is slap full of these tools. Again, easy to see. Pull them out, pull the tool out you need, and then when you send your helper back to put it back in the box, they know exactly where it goes. And I'm talking about even specialty tools are right here in this kit. Every drawer, almost slap full of chrome, impact sockets, you name it. Wrenches, and then getting over into the side drawers, more wrenches. So imagine buying a set that you don't have to think about the organization any longer. And we're talking about this complete set, lifetime warranty on all the tools, 3-year warranty on the box, and less than $16,000. Here at the GEARWRENCH booth, all new hammers from GEARWRENCH. We have the dead blow ball peen hammer in a 24 and a 40-ounce version. We have their dead blow hammers for all your soft blow needs. And then we have ball peen hammers as well. Or you can reach for the kit that kind of has everything as well as some more. So you have your dead blow hammer, your ball peen hammer, even your mini sledge, 48-ounce, 3-pound mini sledgehammer, and even a non-marring hammer in here as well. And this kit is $199. So your hammer needs are taken care of with GEARWRENCH, so check them out.